So hi everyone, look at this question. Given below are two statements, one is labeled as assertion and one is reasoning. So such type of numericals you will find in JEE Mains 2026 also. So assertion is saying that if Young's double slit experiment is performed in an optically denser medium, then add that the consecutive fringes come closer. Okay. This is an assertion or statement. For this assertion, there is one reason is given why this assertion is like satisfied or not. Like who will tell reason? If this reason means if reason is satisfying assertion, it means it's a correct explanation of assertion. Now see what they are saying: the speed of light reduce in an optically denser medium than air, while its frequency does not change. So let's understand what is the meaning of fringe width. The formula is beta lambda d by d. The specific spacing between two consecutive bright or two consecutive dark fringe known as fringe width. Okay, that is represented by beta. Fringe width. Now, when what they are saying, if Young's double slit experiment is performed in an optically denser medium than air, if it is in air, then beta will be lambda air, wavelength in air, d won't change, small d. There. But if you perform this experiment in the optically denser medium, then in optically denser medium, this wavelength in a denser medium, wavelength of air in a denser medium, the what 1 upon mu times of wavelength in air. This is the concept should here use mu times. Here, then we can say that lambda will decrease. Lambda will be less than lambda air. It is fringe width will be less than that in air. Now, reason what they are giving that the speed of light reduces in an optically denser medium. Now we know that V is equal to F lambda. Frequency does not change because we are not changing the source. Light is coming from a source. We are not changing the source. Frequency depends on source. So frequency is constant. Is V proportional to lambda. So when light, that what the reason we are giving the speed of light reduce in an optically denser medium than air. Okay. Then if it is going to reduce, then wavelength is going to reduce. While its frequency does not change. So they are saying that what reason they have given? Because speed is going to decrease, wavelength is going to decrease. That is why fringe width is going to. The reason is correctly explaining the reason is the correct explanation of assertion. Understood? So which option is correct? Both assertion reason are true. So first option, like both assertion reason are true. Reason is the correct explanation of assertion. So what is fringe width? Should know it is a spacing between two consecutive bright or two consecutive dark fringe. Okay. So once again, thank you so much. If still you have doubt, ask anytime. Thanks a lot.